How to use coins on Aliexpress. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use coins on Aliexpress. Now, Aliexpress does not use a traditional coin system like some other online platforms or games. Instead, Aliexpress primarily uses a system of coupon, discounts, and promotional offers. However, if you're referring to some other forms of coin on Aliexpress or features that was introduced, so here's how you can generally use a coupon and discounts on Aliexpress. First of all, you need to find a coupon. So Aliexpress offers various types of coupon, including store coupons, select coupons, and Aliexpress coupon. You can find these coupons on Aliexpress website or app, often on the homepage, specific product pages, my coupon section of your account. After that, what else you can do is, apart from that, you can also add product to your cart and then use it as a way of payment method or purchasing an item. Now browse the product you want to purchase and add them to your shopping cart. After that, you can use the product if they accept coins. Now before proceeding to checkout, go to your shopping cart under the list. Now basically you can use the coupons for a payment method, and after that you can get a certain amount of discounts for that particular product. All you have to do is look for the product that accepts coupons or maybe coins. After that, you can just claim it. So in this way you can use your Aliexpress coin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.